Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on an Audi S4. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter removal tool, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have approximately 5 liters of the correct 5W40 synthetic engine oil. Also, have a new oil filter and a fresh drain plug washer on hand for the replacement. Next, safely lift your Audi S4 using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands for stability. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan and place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to completely drain out into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Now, remove the old oil filter using a specialized oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. Screw on the new filter until it's hand-tight, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Replace the drain plug with a new washer and tighten it securely to the manufacturer's specification. Finally, add the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 liters, through the oil filler cap. Once filled, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the fresh oil throughout the system. Turn off the engine, wait a moment, then check the oil level with the dipstick and carefully inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.